Come along as we hike about 5 miles from Miller's Landing along the rugged coastline to a remote cabin called Derby Cove near Seward, Alaska. The trip was everything we hoped for, exploring nearby waterfalls, skipping rocks along the beach, watching bald eagles overhead, and hiking up to an old World War II fort above the cove. It was quiet, remote, and incredibly peaceful, until the trip took an unexpected turn and ended with an emergency evacuation. Come along with us as we explore the wild coastline of Caines Head in Alaska.
Not quite deep enough. That's way cool.
Yeah. Mom, our next server has a leak. So cool. Look at this moss.
Growing up on these trees. So cool.
This view. So we have 2.7 miles left to go. No, so like if you looked at that boat and went behind it to the next land, that's where we're going.
Yeah, because they're circling it.
What do we see out there, Tyson? Or what do we think we see?
Seals!
Seals!
We definitely see seagulls.
Yeah, lots of seagulls. Let's go find the seals, but we got a little ways to walk still. About 2.7 miles.
Yep.
And then we'll be there. But it's all beach from here on out. We got a sea lion here. Ooh.
Is that forest? Those four sea lions.
This is incredible.
They're abandoning into the water because they know we can't swim.
It probably is the next one.
On the bend over there?
Probably.
Yeah.
Somewhere. I don't know. I've never been. Hi, bud. He's looking at you guys. sea otter. Oh, he's swimming away. Well, we've been walking what feels like 20 miles, huh, Tyson?
Yeah.
On the beach. It really has been about 4, but we're tired. It's not easy walking on these rocks, but we're almost there. We can see the beach. The cabin's just tucked back into the trees a little bit from there. The seagulls have been keeping us company. They sure are loud. Oh, we also found this like fish skeleton. I'm gonna take it to Travis and show him it. But we're almost there.
Yep.
We can do it. And we see something beautiful right ahead of us. Look what we found. Ah, my favorite thing in the whole world. Waterfalls. Well, we're off the beach. We're heading back to the wilderness. Tyson, show us the way. Look, Derby Cove.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that little stream.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
This is amazing.
Well, probably tomorrow I'm gonna go over that tree.
Heck yeah.
Hopefully. Oh yeah, it's good enough. I did not see it yet. I thought it was gonna be on the beach.
Yeah, I thought it'd be a little closer too.
Pretty big for a bathroom.
It is.
Wilderness. Ooh, I
Probably
like the
just
handle. I like the handle.
no, a wooden handle there. Yep, good old outhouse.
What's that?
I don't know.
Oh, I see the toilet paper.
Stinky.
Yup. There's a bridge. And then there's a bridge.
Oh my gosh, in our own stream.
Oh. Did yours
How
have this?
magical. No. Oh my goodness gracious. Show me around, Tyson.
Beds, table to eat, and fireplace.
Whoa.
Oh wow, look, it says 2014. I think this place was built.
Oh, that's a ton of wood.
Mom, I
That's
think
amazing.
This place was built.
Let me show you the view of this place.
Yes. Ah.
Are you sure that's yours?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Travis and I just took a walk down the beach, trying to see what we can see. We came across some anemones. Look at this. So we're heading back from the beach. Heading back to the cabin to find the boys. But what did we see on the beach, Travis?
We saw a bunch of ducks. We saw our sea otter friend and 3 sea lions.
We tried to get some drone footage of them, but they swam away really fast.
We couldn't even get close to them, could we?
No. And then we put the drone away and more came. Or maybe it was the same bunch. I don't know.
Like right then.
Right then. And so I ran down the beach to try to get a photo of them. And once again, they swam away.
Yeah.
We're going to get it. We're going to get it. But this is such a beautiful path on the way back to our cabin. So peaceful. Oh, Tyson at the door. Oh, waterfall. Favorite part.
Just to say, Jason's the one who trashed the place.
Yeah, he's helping it.
Tyson, you getting the fire going for us?
Yeah.
Here you go.
It was first try. Yeah.
Oh, look at that go, Tyson.
Oh, this is the one that bark I think is right.
Fire going. Good job, team.
Yeah, I did so good.
Mm-hmm.
First try, I lit it.
I'm having this
Beef
one.
pasta marinara and chicken alfredo.
Actually, I have the beef pasta berry.
Dude, the beef pasta marinara is the best.
All right.
You guys are gonna lose.
7. I don't want.
Okay, you're up.
Okay.
4.
Okay, let's look at your
Oh,
options.
yep, I do that.
Hold on. 4.
I'm not
Yeah.
doing it.
Yeah, that's what I would do. You're right.
Yeah, that's
I
pretty
can't.
good.
I can't do it.
Is that yours, Jace?
No, that isn't it. I don't know what you're talking about. How about
I can't do that.
6?
Why?
Can't wait to eat some
10.
beef pasta marinara.
10.
Oh, sweet. I'm
Shoot.
going 5 on red.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh.
10.
I'm gonna do 10 and 5 on red.
2.
Please be 5, please be 5.
That's
There's a 5.
But you have to
That's
add
a
it.
7.
7. So you've got 7.
Wait. Perfect.
I'm doing that.
Jace and I are leaving the cabin. Where are we going, Jace?
I'm gonna filter some water.
Filter some water. Where are you gonna go do that? Gonna find a deeper section. Well, Jace, you got us some water, right?
Yep.
Filtered out some water.
Yeah, now we can eat.
Yeah, what are you doing with the water, Travis?
I'm gonna boil it here in the jet boil so we can have some food. Where's it at? Right here. Chicken Alfredo pasta and beef pasta marinara.
That sounds good. After that long, hard hike, huh, Jace?
Yep.
I like that paddle.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Here, cool that I brought.
Do you have any flip cards?
This is
Yeah.
literally the same author.
Alright.
So you're saying you would.
Oh.
What if I go flip? Here.
I won!
Okay, fine. You won.
How is it?
Very good.
Beef pasta marinara.
You know.
And then we got chicken Alfredo pasta. Beef pasta marinara. All right,
Jace doesn't
Jace.
like this one.
Let's try this.
I
Let's see
don't.
how it is.
Well, I've already tried this one. Can I see that?
Unfortunately.
Probably for the better.
Probably. Save your fork.
Yeah, I love this one. It's the best.
And I love this chicken Alfredo. Mm-hmm.
Yep. It's a little hot, but
Delicious.
If you want to complain about it, I'll take it off your hands.
nope.
Every time I come out of this cabin and hear this. It's just peace. Peaceful. The sound of running water and nobody around you. It's magic. We're gonna go explore. We're gonna head up here and go see the upper part of our personal waterfall. And then maybe head down by the beach. It's just lightly raining, but that's okay. We're in the most beautiful area. Cannot wait to explore it. Carter, you jumping in?
No.
What?
No.
Looks like there's a really great pool of water right there. Hi, Tyson. You jumping? Are you jumping in?
You see that?
Oh, dang. No. Wow.
I'm not gonna die.
Oh, look at Jace. He's doing it.
He's like a tightrope person.
Just stay right on top.
Yay, stop!
Jace, don't hit it.
Oh,
Watch where you're going.
I am.
Good job, bud. You're doing it. It's pretty cool.
This part is slick as ice.
Yeah.
So careful with that.
Okay, Jace warned me about it, but good reminder. We just found the most magical waterfall, as you saw, right behind our cabin. Oh, I don't know if this place can get any better. Like, this is truly one of the my favorite places we have ever stayed here in Alaska. So now we are heading down to the beach again. Gonna pick up some wood to try to dry out and then just hang out and see what we can see. But it's looking pretty foggy out there, which earlier it was pretty clear, but I'll show you what it looks like. The tide has come up so much.
It was so cool.
Got all our ducks in a row. Look at that.
It was like down. Yeah. It was so cool.
Woo! Winner.
Said all the ducks flying towards us. Yeah.
Good job. That was way good. You finding the perfect stone, Tyson?
Yeah, it's about like this. The shape's a little wrong, but the thickness is right.
Nice.
See?
All right, let's check it out. See if it is.
Okay, not that one. Not that one either.
Hey, I found this.
I will keep that forever. Thank you, Jace. How cool!
I got a good idea, Tyson. Let's go over here and skip on the pond where there's no waves.
Well, they gave up on the ocean because of the waves.
Yeah.
Now you're trying the pond, huh?
I don't want to land. It's harder to do on this because
What you guys up to out here?
Got some wood, put some dry out. Whoa, what are you gonna call it?
And the last one is
Okay. All right, you want to back up a little and make some hot chocolate?
okay. Like half of this.
No, all of it. Well, maybe do half and then stir it and then do another. You got your hot chocolate?
Yep. Okay.
Is it really hot, do you think?
Probably. Not really hot, but that's good.
Yes.
I do not want my thing to melt. Wait, we have enough?
Really?
One night, yep.
You just cleaned up.
I just gotta put my hot chocolate out.
You got your cookie and your mallow. That looks delicious, Tyson.
Yes. I feel
Take 2 cookies.
What's 2 times 6? Let's say 2 times 3.
Doesn't this look delicious, Jace?
I'm not really that fan
How's
of
your hot
marshmallows
chocolate?
either.
What? Yeah, you are.
Well,
I got my pajamas on.
it's been a good day. We're gonna sign off, brush our teeth, and get some sleep. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. Oh, that was a little bit of a rough night. Just a lot of moving around. Cabin got pretty hot, which is not a bad thing. A couple of our sleeping pads ended up having holes in them. We tested before we left, but they still somehow have holes. It's a beautiful morning. It's been raining constantly, but it just stopped. It's about 11 o'clock, so it's really not morning, but it's nice. The mountains are starting to appear again. We're eating breakfast, hanging out. It's been a good morning. Boys are hanging out, huh? Wow. On your electronics, huh? Mm-mm. But we got some breakfast burritos heating up on the stove here.
North Beach
Fort McGilvray.
and the
Gilvery?
fort.
It's Fort McGilvray.
Is it? Yep. You can go see the fort, see what's left of it. Do some exploring. Maybe there's a couple old turrets. Had some guns on them or something. I don't know.
See what we see.
Something that was during World War II to protect Seward,
World War
the
II.
port. That's where the railroad came to. So yeah, it was a pretty important place for them
Ready?
to protect.
Yes.
Go learn more about it, huh?
Yep.
We're off on another adventure. Leaving the cabin behind. Tyson, where are we going?
To the beach.
To the beach. Gonna go see what we can find. Collect some more firewood. Throw some rocks. Hang out for the next hour or so. And then we're gonna eat some lunch. And then head to Fort McGilvray.
I think that's
Yeah.
Yeah.
We made it to the beach. Woo! Trying to find the best. Find. Ooh, a nice clamshell.
Yeah.
Very cool. Just put that in the cabin.
Yeah. This one probably won't be good, so let's test it out.
Oh, that was cool.
Why do they all keep curving?
That wasn't bad. That was good. Oh, that was way good. And Mr. Jace up there.
I found a jellyfish. Time to keep it alive.
Look at that blob. Do you want to flip it over?
Sure. Oh, I like the lines.
That's cool looking. Look at that.
Is that the poison stuff?
Tentacles, maybe. He's a
Okay.
fresh one.
Yeah.
Should we put him back in the water? When
Sure.
Jace comes?
Sure.
So he can see it. Travis is returning the jellyfish back to his home.
Setting him free.
That actually looks really cool.
Yeah. Wait. The oils from my hands, that's what it was.
Look at him expand like that. How
Catching
cool.
wind jellyfish.
And we're off.
And we're off.
Where are we heading, Travis?
Fort McGilvray.
It's about, just over a 2-mile hike out there.
I think so.
And then we'll get to go see this really cool, I guess, bunker and mementos from World War II we're going to go check out. See an old fort that was out there and left to be. All right, should we go?
We should go.
So we head on to the beach. Then from there, there's a trail over by those trees. We're basically going up and over. Carter, what'd you find? Here we go. 2.5 miles. Woo!
Let's go.
Well, we made it to our first spot. Where are we, Tyson?
Caines Head.
Close. North
South-
Beach.
North Beach.
North Beach. This is our first stop on our way to the fort.
Nailed.
Pretty cool area, huh? Jay, you can camp out here? You can. Oh, it's a whole one. You got a whole clamshell?
Yeah.
Nice.
I tried to open it without breaking it.
Oh, look at that.
The inside is a little dirty, but
All right, let's keep going.
look at how it glares. hot dark place.
All right, we're getting off the beach.
Yep.
And we're heading down the trail to the Fort
Holly
McGilvray.
McGilvray Fort.
This is South Beach.
Fort McGilvray.
Yo, there's swells happening over on South Beach.
Who wants to sit down with me?
Nobody, let's go.
That's some incredible build to last that long.
I feel dizzy. Am I on a cliff? Wait, why does it feel like that's leaning?
It's meant to be that way.
Okay, I'm scared.
Who knows what they could have kept, huh? That's cool.
So big.
What is it?
Keep it all dry.
Dang. Nice.
Seward, the main city, and then Miller's Landing, where our car is. It's quite a ways away. Just leftover anything. You're gonna find a bunch of remnants.
Not much in here.
Yeah, it might be some sort of a ventilation system.
That would go down to underground.
Yeah, definitely could be. Tyson just found this, huh, bud?
Tyson did not find it. I found it.
Oh no. Jace found it.
Yeah.
They just left it. They just abandoned it. It's sometimes just hard for them to take it out, so they just leave it.
Maybe.
Came across another thing, huh?
Yeah.
This looks like a hole in the ground. Dark passages. Imagine as you enter the dark corridors of the west entrance of Fort McGilvray's battery, Nat 293. Imagine knowing that Japan had control of Alaska's Attu and Ikiska Islands. That is your job to help defend the port of Seward. I strongly encourage a good flashlight.
What? What'd you guys find?
It is a dark passage. The west entrance of Fort McGilvray battery 293. And then we go out the other side.
All right, let's go have a look.
Whoa, creepy.
Oh, it keeps going. It's a window.
Which way do you pick?
All right, good luck.
Maybe it's all take the ghosts of the.
Here we go, Fort McGilvray. So here we go, headed out. This must have been where one of the turrets were. Yeah, that gives you a pretty good viewpoint. Nobody's gonna get past you there. That's pretty awesome. Commanding view. There we go. Right there. That's really cool. That's really cool.
Can hear the sandhill cranes. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, those sandhill cranes.
Why do you think one side's longer?
Mom, what's this called?
There's a V and one side's longer than the other.
Yes.
Do you know why there's that one side longer?
No.
Do you know why? Jace, do you know why?
The wind.
No, it's because there's more birds on that side.
Nobody's amused by you.
Right?
Your children didn't even laugh.
I don't know why.
I know.
Let's go check out the other one that was open.
We hiked on top of the fort, right?
Yep.
And what'd you find?
Found a little lookout place.
Got their pillbox. Travis has figured out how we get in.
Oh.
Any Japanese soldiers?
No, they're just like. They closed there.
They closed what?
Can't see a whole lot though.
Oh, nice, yeah. I couldn't shoot into them.
Oh.
Hey.
Wait, you actually can't move it?
Slid them across these rails. And they were being shot at, huh? Well, that's pretty cool.
That was really cool.
There was quite a few, like, remnants up there.
Yeah, it was awesome. They left everything open. We could just go through them and check them out. And
Why is this
all the
about
doors were
elephants?
open. All the rooms were.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, you could explore it nonstop. There was a
That was
lot of stuff.
Headlamp on still.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah, great place. Amazing view.
Tyson saw a ghost.
Tyson got scared by a ghost.
Yeah.
Highly recommend. It was a good hike, good stop. Not too difficult.
Yeah.
Huh. A little tiring, but.
Yeah.
You ready to go back?
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yep.
Yeah, you can't use
We made it back to camp.
Yep.
Yep.
It was a good day exploring. What did you guys think of the fort?
What did you guys
think of the
World War II stuff, Carter?
Pretty cool. Really nice.
Yeah, it was really cool.
What did you think?
Cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And now what are we doing?
Playing quicks. We're playing the board game.
We ate some dinner, roasted some marshmallows. Now we're playing quicks.
Yeah.
All right, Jace, show us how it's done.
We got 4.
4.
Oh, I can take a 4.
I can't take a 4.
Yeah, I can't take a 4. Mom, that's on blue.
Yeah, I
Blue's
can't
lot.
take.
Blue's lot.
Terrible.
6 on red.
Can't do that.
First penalty.
Oh no, is this how we're gonna go out?
I got the
I scared him. No. Travis said there's a couple other. Oh my gosh. Very beautiful. There's one above it. Good morning. Third day. And we're waking up a little rough. Travis has some pretty serious pain. Hoping it's just kidney stones, but also no one wants to deal with that. Just walked down to the beach, and back there somewhere is an eagle. So I went out and took some pictures of the eagle. Travis is laying down for a second. It's high tide out here. It's supposed to be super light rain all day today. Not great visibility, but it's still just so beautiful out here. We're gonna kind of take it real slow today, not have a whole lot of plans. We're really tired from hiking around a whole bunch, so we're just gonna enjoy being here, and then tomorrow we leave. Whew, my eyes are watering. So pretty though. See how high it is? So beautiful.